Hi everyone. So in this short video I will go through Kubernetes Ingress and how to configure that. I am running a Minikube single node cluster. I have enabled a Minikube Ingress add-on and I will be using that to showcase how we work with Ingress objects. So let's get started. So what I do is first you have to enable this add-on called Ingress. It's inbuilt. You just have to enable it. Uh, I have already enabled it, but it doesn't hurt to enable it once again. So that is enabled, and we can see the ingress object inside that namespace ingress nginx. This is basically nginx ingress controller. So all the pods, everything is running perfectly fine. What I do is next is create a variable called n, and it will be my namespace. So it will be ingress demo ns. So next is I'll create that namespace. So ingress demo ns has been created. Next I will just create a deployment ingress demo. I'm saving it to deployment d variable so that it's easy to refer for the subsequent steps. And similarly a service name is s ingress demo svc. So I create a deployment. Deployment name is ingress demo. I'm using Google samples image hello app. So that has been created, ingress demo deployment. Next is I will expose that particular deployment, and it will be node port 8080, and name of service is ingress demo svc. I am referring this particular variable service name, which is here $s. So the deployment has been exposed via that service. We'll just get the service, so we can see the service name, node port, cluster IP, and the port. This is the target port and the service port, and the node port 30293. Next what we do is we can get the URL for that particular service, ingress demo svc. So we are getting the, because it's I'm running on Minikube, we can get it like this. Next I will create a ingress object. Name of the object is example ingress. It has just got one rule, hello world.info. That's the host name, and that is the service name $ingress demo svc. It's pointing to that service on port 8080, and we have to add one annotation, nginx ingress kubernetes io rewrite target equal to $1. This we have to add, and I'm redirecting it to a YAML file because I need to make one change, and the name of the file is ingress.yaml. So I'll just enter. Next I will open that in VS Code. So I'm opening that in VS Code. So just to make it work, I need to make one change, is like I have to add this like $1, and second thing is my path type I need to make it as prefix. So these are the just two changes. So basically this host, this is what I need to enter in the URL, the address bar of my browser, and it is pointing to one service, ingress demo svc, which I have created, and it is on the home page, on the slash, on the root slash path, and it's pointing to that service on port 8080. So let's save this file, go back to the terminal, and next is to create that ingress object. So my ingress object has been created. So I'll get that particular ingress object. So I have to, so this ingress object will get an address, IP address. So I'll just have to read in it will just take few seconds to get that IP address. So let me just run once again, probably just a few minutes. Okay, let's hope this time. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. So finally I have got the for my example Ingress, I got an IP address which was the basically the minikube node IP, and what I do next is it's same, the value matches. Now to test this particular Ingress object, I'm making a change to my etc host file. So what you can see, like I'm making an entry in my etc host file with my IP address and the domain name hello world.info. I'm appending it to that particular file, so I need to enter the password. So the entry has been made. Now if I do a curl, you will see the response from that particular service which was exposed via that deployment, and we are using an Ingress object. Next we'll just take it a little bit further and we'll create a second deployment, Ingress demo 2. We'll use the same image and we'll create a second service, and we'll have a different prefix path to test side by side. So my Ingress demo 2 has been created. Next I will expose that particular deployment, Ingress demo 2, and this time the service name will be Ingress demo svc2. Everything else is same, node port. So the Ingress demo svc2 has been created, and for that now I need to add that second path in the Ingress YAML file. So it's basically the same file, and I just need to add that second path. So basically inside under paths we have one path, and then after this we have to add another path. So I'll just go over here and yes, so this is our second path. So you can see first path was the home slash the root path. Now we are adding another path slash v2. It's also type of prefix, and it's pointing to Ingress demo svc2. First we had Ingress demo svc, rest all is same. So go back to terminal, apply that ingress.yaml, it will be updated. So Ingress object has been updated. Now we'll just test two endpoints. One was already working, which we have seen before, and another is which we have added v2, and we can see v2 as well. I can open that in Firefox as well or any other browser. So it's the same output. I can take it here and add it here also. So v2 is also working fine. So that's all for the demo. I'll just do a final cleanup. If you are interested, you can see this last step as well. So basically we have created an Ingress object which I am deleting, example Ingress. We created two services, demo svc and demo svc2, and two deployments which I am deleting, and finally deleting the namespace, and finally removing the Ingress YAML file. Yep. So yes, so that's all for this particular demo. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Bye.